Nice try, dude. Yeah, I like, what time did we say we're going to meet here? Where is everybody, by the way?
I'm early. I'm early. Everybody else
Where's
is
the
late.
crew?
I don't know.
Did they go out last night?
Probably. I think too much drinking again.
Where's Alan?
I'm up early every day, so when it's early, I'm here.
I know that, but, you know, it's like we're supposed to play a little football, aren't we? And what are we supposed to do now? Huh? What are we supposed to do now?
Play football.
Yeah, okay. Check this out.
Hi. There. Football? Little touch football?
Little two-hand touch? All right, if you promise to double team.
Maybe.
All right, let's go. Come on, forget about it. Who needs the crew, John? This is great. We have 2-on-2 here. Oh, you know, you can just shoot this. It's all right. All right, here we go. Nice.